What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to give you a little tip. This happens when you're using LFOTool, and it tends to click. I'll give you an example right quick. Hear that clicking? What's happening is the volume goes from fully open to fully closed almost instantaneously. And if you have like a sine wave or any kind of wave and it closes completely, it creates kind of a square at the end, which is undesirable. And here's how you fix it. So this is, you know, basically what you run into when you load up the default preset. You can drag the outside. And what you want to do is drag this top part over a tad, just a tad. You barely notice it, and it'll eliminate the clicking when it resets to, to a lower value. And I'll let you listen to it now. Just move it over and it won't click anymore. And yeah, then you won't have to deal with that nasty kind of clickingness, which can mess up whatever you're doing. Anyway, hope you learned stuff. You can buy this track, this project file on my website and a few other things. So yeah, take care and have a good one.